Breakfast ideas. Many people skip breakfast due to busy schedule and hectic lifestyle, calories and lose weight, but skipping the first meal of the day is not a good idea. It is important for your overall health to eat breakfast. You get going with a nutritious first meal of the day. Here are 5 quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas. Oats. Oats are rich in fiber as well as in omega-3 fatty acid, folate and potassium. You can choose from steel cut, rolled or instant oats, but avoid the flavored varieties that can be packed with sugar. You can cook oats in skim or low-fat milk. Sweeten it with honey. Make your oatmeal healthier by topping it with some blackstrap molasses, dry fruits, nuts or chopped fresh fruit like apples. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most popular breakfast options. The protein, vitamin D and fat in eggs help sustain your energy level and keep you satisfied until lunchtime. You can eat 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs with these 2 pieces of whole grain toast. You can also make an omelette with lots of vegetables and some cheese. If you have time, you can make some French toast with whole grain bread. Greek yogurt. One of the healthiest breakfasts that you can fix quickly is Greek yogurt. This tangy, creamy yogurt is loaded with calcium, protein, and many other essential nutrients that will keep you feeling full throughout the morning. Number 4. Whole wheat bread sandwich. Sandwiches are easy to make and you can prepare them in many ways. For health benefits, always make sandwiches with whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread contains more fiber and nutrients than white refined bread. Number 5. Fruits. Fruits are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help keep the body functioning at its optimal level. Some fruits that you can include in your breakfast menu are bananas, apricots, avocados, pineapples, cherries, grapefruits, apples, and berries like blackberries and raspberries. Habits for a healthier you. Health is wealth, and keeping your body in a good health is your duty. By staying healthy, you can enjoy better mental health, a good body shape, and more energy. You will also live longer, look better, feel more empowered and confident, and avoid diseases. Number 1. Regular exercise. Exercising regularly has both short-term and long-term benefits. Several studies have documented the benefits of exercise to improve your mood, stress, maintain fitness, build muscle mass, strengthen bonds, and prevent cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and diabetes. Still, many people do not follow these important rules of a healthy life. Number 2. Eat breakfast daily. To keep yourself fully fueled and at your physical best, never skip breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast daily helps you lose weight, keeps your metabolism rate high, and provides needed nutrients, gives you more energy, makes you smarter, and improves your memory and concentration. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Due to hectic lifestyles and busy schedules, many people sleep for work. This is something you must avoid as insufficient sleep can cause many health problems. Sleep is one of the most important functions that our body uses to regulate and heal cells. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help their body function properly. Number 4. Breathe deeply. Breathing is an automatic function that helps us inhale oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. When you consciously control breathing and take deep breaths from your diaphragm, not your chest, it will have a huge impact on your well-being. Number 5. Practice good oral hygiene. It is very important to take good care of your mouth, teeth, and gums, as healthy mouth and healthy body go hand in hand. Your mouth has bacteria, most of them harmless, and you can control them with good oral care. However, without proper oral hygiene, bacteria can cause health problems.